Works as advertised. So I can do this one-handed. Let's see. Well, I guess that's kind of cool. It has like a safety latch. So even if it's unlocked, it's not going to come flying open. It comes with all except for this one. That was my own. Comes with all of these. And this is the tool. So it comes with those 3 right there. As well as this one right here. And then this is the first time I've ever actually used one of these. All you do is you clamp this, you pull this, right? When you pull this, you unscrew this or screw this in. You can't screw this or you can't screw this in unless it's pulled back like this. So just a quick tip. And then to get these out, same thing, you just unscrew them. It worked for what I needed to do. I installed an LED light bar on my 2007 Tacoma. I like it. It's a great tool. Go buy it. Oh, and it also comes with drill bits too. I already have a gazillion of those, but it's nice to have extra. So, worth the money. Peace out. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.